Lil'Buddies, we're making a lava lamp. First we're going to put the oil in. All of it. We're going to put the water.
Now you're going to put drops of food colouring. Just a little squeeze. And another one. Go on, keep going.
Okay.
Next.
Next we're going to get exorcist.
Watch what happens.
Yeah, watch what happens. Why isn't that exploding?
It's a lava lamp.
Oh my god. Something you can eat.
Look at the bubbles. Look at the coloured bubbles in the oil. Look through the side of the glass.
Wow.
Cool. Look at all the bubbles. Look at all the coloured bubbles.
Smell it.
What's it smell like?
Just smell it. You will know. Do a big smell.
Big smell. Oh, it kind of smells like lemons. Because the Alka-Seltzer with lemons.
So let's put it in my bedroom. Is it not easy to get out of it?
Go on, sit down. Don't lick it. It's oil.
Smells like something you can drink now.
I wouldn't drink that. It's got lots of oil in it.
It smells like marmalade. Marmalade. Hello, Lil'Buddy. We're going to make elephant toothpaste.
In this bottle here, we have half a cup of
water.
hydrogen peroxide, and Archie's going to add a 1/4 cup of dishwasher soap, like washing up liquid. So you swirl it.
Yeah.
We're going to add this dry yeast, which we have mixed in with a small bit of warm water. Archie's going to pour the yeast mixture into the bottle. Into the bottle. Now stand away. Quick, 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 move, move.
Oh my god! Can I?
Yeah, you can touch it.
I'll just keep it like this.
No, no, take the lid off.
Oh, that's so hot too.
Is it warm?
Oh yeah.
That's the reaction, the chemical reaction that's being made, and it's
Oh, it went on my slipper.
okay.
Oh, that's so warm. Is this so warm?
Yeah. Let me see. See your face. Is it happy? Is it cool?
Yes. Oh my. Hi guys. Elephant toothpaste. You want to touch it?
Oh, it is warm.
Put my finger in it too. Oh, it's so warm. It's melting really slowly. Look at this, Mom. How am I? Oh, it's dripping.
That's okay.
I'm going to put my hand on it.
So,
Oh, that's so cool. Let me see it again. Oh! Wait, you want to see the smoke? It's like a volcano. Woo! Goodbye. Hit a like, subscribe button.